Greetings, beloved beings of light. Hope your day's most beautiful, blessed. Happy Equinox portal. This is just a short promotional video for tomorrow's Eclipse presentation. I've been working many hours over the last week and a half compiling all the information for the presentation. I plan on premiering tomorrow, Goddess willing, on the equinox about 3:30 p.m. PST time. So be sure to check that out on my main channel, Paul White Gold Eagle. We have spring is in the air. It's such a beautiful day. Blue skies, earth is warming up. Feeling these energies coming in. The veil is very thin. So this presentation, I'm getting ready right now to record it. It's the 18th. I've spent many days. I've compiled a large database of information that's coming from many different channels, many different sources of this information. We know that this is one of the most powerful celestial events of our lifetime. So we see this as a catalyst for great change and new beginnings of the new earth. So be sure to join us tomorrow on the premiere on Paul White Gold Eagle. And I'm getting ready to record the video. I'm going to try to keep it under 2 hours. There's so much information, like anything of power, of anything of great importance. It's like a rabbit hole. It's almost endless. I could make this video that I'll be recording 10 hours if I had the time. See all the information that just each doorway leads to another doorway and then to another doorway. It's like an endless loop, but there's a lot of great information coming in, a lot of signs, symbols, synchronicities, omens with this eclipse on April 8th. Tomorrow of this recording, depending on when you're listening to this, the 19th or the 20th, depending on where you're located, is this powerful, most powerful eclipse. And then we have on the 25th, the full moon and the lunar eclipse in Libra. And then April 8th, we have this fire energy coming in for the solar eclipse in Aries. So we're having a major conjunction with Chiron and I believe 6 other planets in the moon, 5 or 6 planets all lining up with this eclipse portal. So it's going to be massive energies flowing in. Stay in your heart, stay in the love, stay in the light. Stay in the love and the light, and be sure to join us tomorrow on the 19th, 3:30 p.m. PST. As long as I can get this video edited and uploaded by then, which hopefully I will if all goes well. Have a most beautiful, blessed day. Namaste. Aho.